as I have to let this is an inconvenience for everyone.
TikTok people bashing me, and I'm always surprised because.
Ebusha for my mouth Akwaba Eba Ghana TV GH like, comment, subscribe, then on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambekebi. Ebusha for Ebeya ya mami Eli Plim Akorugu Obinka chene se brofonu nye by force. Ena brofonu so nye say you're afraid you're afraid. Wunim if you don't know you don't know. As simple as that. Enya fe na ubabe ase ube ye can say try your luck be ube kika utrimbuma nandi eba bia na ube kano debi eli plim. Miami namesake. Enkosa. Aha. Adieni die unim so unim. It's as simple as that. School a ukoye no usiaye. Echire brofo no usiaye. Wabeye MP as say die nsema uka criɛd criɛd ntiasie nsem bi ukana ina bon cry like it does not make sense. It does not make sense one bit. Are na bibia ye mide unu say domi Kwabenya for e ka kire mu say enukre say ebia MPP as a party ewo domi Kwabenya enya Akufo-Addo aban o nya Akufo-Addo aban enye ba omi asem MPP as a party ewo domi Kwabenya ye mistakes bi mistakes bi and him say omuja constituency na say mo MP Kotina Brochre and all those things because of the personal issues and all those things that happen. But that notwithstanding, no. Now, Mumunim say, sa constituency domi Kwabenya, it has been an MPP seat, and MPP has been developing that constituency. But I say, Mudi Bufu, Inti Mwakwa Kochama, Sama Mewe, Ayebia, Nimbe, Biafria, friend, and Lipula Kurugui. I feel they are by MP. Is a Mushe Nekoso. I saw a video in which one of the residents of domi Kwabenya on camera, live on camera, okay, can I drink MP and say, now the whole night, adia wo si wo be ye ne kwan a wo se wo ye no enye se wo ba be ye bibi papa bia drip Akufo-Addo drip equipment no eno na wo de be oba wo de be ebe twi ekwan no so enti be sa de no anka obetimi aye anajo between 11 p.m. eba 5 a.m. na ewia ketekete Sunday ewia ketekete abegina wo se MP una wo ye adwuma ena na enti eno otime hu say ha resident no pa na MP no so oferi na after the incident no or try say or be justify or camera so the bloggers be break call jama MP pa be adwuma nti or the bloggers akose bloggers no come man fans yes and fans ni na akoto gumu na residents na blasting ni so at the end of the day hu say obi abeji ni dey o. You see, Ghanaians, sometimes they are hard, but with time they quickly get to realize, why a mistake. And when they realize, what that is the electricity issue. Now, electricity say they always the drip equipment. And you must Akufo-Addo abenyeshi. Na Akufo-Addo awan benyeshi no or drip equipment who pese wo kire wo constituency say wo ye adwuma no na we use it. Sana yes oh we can agree.
Oba around 11 p.m. before 5 a.m. No one will do man. But when you come at this time, you get that. No, you know a giant as I have to let you know. This is an inconvenience for everyone. I'm also into construction, you know. But this is wrong.
Social media, TikTok, people bashing me, and I'm always surprised because 1 year, 6 months, people have occupied this seat for how many years now? And just as my MC said, it's politics. It's politics. They have seen that we are trying to make the efforts, but they'll find another way to, tag you and do everything. So it's surprising. Today is not a working day. Nobody is going to give us overtime. But because we need things to be fixed, we need the constituents to be comfortable. We are here, and this is unfortunate. It's an unfortunate comment. But I don't sleep. I don't sleep. And I won't sleep until things are fixed. Video went viral. Actually, it was a donation on Mother's Day to the women. And so just as I got there, people were saying that was not was important. What was important is the roads that I traveled on to get to them. And I immediately had to reach out to the top hierarchy. So after that video went viral, I think plans are underway to get a contractor to come on site. So just as my municipal MCs said, we cannot wait till, we hear either bad news or something happening. We know the rains are also interrupting the progress of the work. Actually, it was yesterday we were supposed to have this done, but just as we were just ready to come, the rains came in, so we had to wait till today. So the question is, that video has gone to the top hierarchy, and then they are putting things in place to get to site, then we can get the road fixed.
Do you have any final words?
Well, I just want to plead to constituents that they should kindly exercise patience. I came to office 1 year and a half, 6 months now. This road has been in this state for quite some time now. I just came. I'm just pleading with them that they should exercise patience. After all, I've demonstrated to them that I am ready to work by cutting virgin roads. That is the Nama Grand Star 5.2, and then of course the pure water, famous pure water road 10.2. So this is alone is to demonstrate to them that I am ready to work, and then they shouldn't lose hope. The trust they had in me to bring me to office, they should still hold on to that trust. And then together with my municipal assembly and then the assembly member for Kwabenya, we're going to get the road temporarily fixed for them to make it more trouble. So they should just exercise patience. We are ready to work and to serve them.
Finally, a man was arguing a while ago that he should be fixing the road at night and not during this
yes.
time. What do you have to say to someone like that?
It's so surprising that the call is to fix the road, and now we are on site and we are fixing the road, and then you heard it. Drivers or motorists were saying that this shouldn't be done around this time. It should be done in the night. And I even went further to explain to him that we had wanted to do it yesterday, maybe at a time that would be convenient, but because of the rain, so we're only waiting for the sun. But he's still insistent. But this is human behavior or human nature. You want the thing, we are doing it, and then they find another problems or troubles to fix it. But we are dealing with humans, so we have patience with them. So we plead with them to also.
As I speak with you now, Muntie, Obia or Habia or interest in Krofro market stores, no, we want to be open and transparent. Yeah, said I'm a no. Whatever it is, no of a cofontina me penasem, obey a president, or Babontibe can say, hey, Anna for Tamaname campaign, no man be me kaya, me betina kunano sono, a different into Mr. And no man you are a kaya mofanche. Na mama yekwai any opportunity to do it. And that is how we want to do it. As we speak with you now, KMA, call more general meeting, no, set up a committee, more allocation of the shops. Okay. And more apply to KMA. No more muhia shops ni bino, munye secured, no munye bi, and to. I think so the initial rent here for 5 years. It's 5 years, no, and now the yaka behind the month to say, the KMA arrangements from number one and just that to secure a store and a restaurant and a school, any of these, you need to book it for 5 years. That's the minimum.
After Parliament, who say NDC government, woman Jimmy Nimpa baku see. After Pa, and the man who say NDC government, Woman Junior here for woman Junior Nimpa back say. And I will give you the reason why. Woman shares our video.
We have the rent courts. We say don't take more than 6 months of advance, what do you call it, rent advance. But the one who is renting and the house owner are both not prepared to go to the rent court because they are doing it quietly. It says pay 2 years rent advance. You can go and report him at the rent court and we'll hold that landlord accountable.
What is Asama President John Dramani Mahama kind? This is the reason why I may catch no say NDC government and Chini Nimpa Hoba say. Me poto share video ni mami wate. Na Ghana for ehune kore me pauto share video ni mami. The more video trendy nyankopo ma wa brabo so trendy the same thing. Yet he had a President John Dramani Mahama beka achire Ghana for say. Wo ye tenant na wo kwa rented and now landlord. Edu 2 years advance. Ye will rent court. Into what tenant no. Corner quiet and call reporter wo landlord. Emma rent court na Ghana marane any nindi. All in the name of wadi 2 years advance. Franka mo akwhene aba abontin abeka say. Eye KMA at the market ma rent. Sata food se the market no. Ansa na wobetumi anya sa market ni bi no. Ajisewu tia 5 years in advance. 5 years in advance. Se nya trimodene na bro. Ena wo utirimu a. NDC government no kora na Ghana for to abama wo mo no. Yet o ma NDC ebeji o man so 4 years pre. But wo rent a government ni sika no aban ni sika a what time dia ye project dia ma Ghana ni no. What see Ghana ni mbra man rent for 5 good years to secure store. 5 years and say when you store aton ade wo 5 good years. Na nipa ne tam sa 5 years sika no e de be rent sa store na sika ben bi empa no enkofa nioma enfamegu sa store na wa ba beje ne 5 years ni. Yey sekeme e de sa store staffo se de ko from stores na abai na si no so the man rent for 5 good years na so obi ba beje a sika ben nipa ko na tia 5 years na wie no sika ben na nipa ko no wo expect say onkofa non fan kofa nioma famegu store na wadi ne 5 years ni sika ben landlord ni ji ne tenant 2 years no wo se mla wo ho ebetimi akekere no enti sa tenant ne me report ne landlord wo aban wo baaya aban wo baaya 5 years what the store my rent 5 good years. Sanya broni etimodene ene wo utirimu a Nyani ben pa no betimi age store for 5 years. Nyani ben. In toast, nyoton toast. Nyoton monko, nyoton jebidia who expect say who feel say who sit down to support that poor people no. Nyani ben obenya sa 5 years sika no. E dia be rent sa store no. Nyani ben. Now that means automatically no. Muni nkofo a mo de store ne be ma wo mo. Muni nkofo a Modi sa store no e de bema wo mu because here ni bia no obetimi atam 5 years advance sika e de abe rent store na wasa so nya bi de akofa nneoma de abegum nti no automatically no mo politicians no kra no Ghana law na nkasa mo respect Ghanaian law mo politicians no mo respect Ghanaian law because so respect Ghana mra na Ghana mra extra will say landlord intimi mfane dan e renti enje advance 2 years na wo asa aban wo ka se obi mna me renti market for 5 years a utirimu nyeden utirimu nyesu utirimu nyeden utirimu nyesu utirimu odin utirimu osu in the first place NDC. No NDC. Landlord ne deɛ ɔgye 2 years ne deɛ ɛyɛ bɔne. But who mu kwan say we give 5 good years. Who mu kwan yo aban na kasa tam o man mi sika na odi esi market no. Or dey 5 years or the man gonna need 5 years. Aban na tam o man mi sika na odi aye market say Ghana ni menye bi no rent no. Or dey 5 good years. But sa landlord ni there. We consider Ghana for enough. At just 2 years.